Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to log into PNC banking account online. Just go to Google, search for here PNC banking and you will get this option here. Now this is a personal banking and there is another option for mobile banking, so make sure you select the appropriate option here. So I will just go and click on personal banking here. I will be redirected to this official website. On the top right you have to just go and click on sign on. Here you have to enter your user ID and here your password. If you want to remember this website, your username, so you don't need to fill up it again and again, just make sure you tick mark on this, and once your information is correct you can just go and click on login. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful, and same goes for small business or corporate and institution. For every option the same steps you have to follow because you need to have your user ID and a password. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care.